50 amazing animals found in the Amazon rainforest. Jaguar. Jaguar, the largest big cat in South America and a powerful predator. Sloth. Sloth, a slow-moving animal that spends most of its life hanging in trees. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frog, a small, brightly colored frog known for its toxic skin. Capybara. Capybara, the world's largest rodent, often found near rivers and swamps. Anaconda. Anaconda, one of the largest snakes in the world, found in the Amazon rivers. Toucan. Toucan, a colorful bird with a large, bright beak. Macaw. Macaw, a vibrant parrot species that lives in tall rainforest trees. Piranha. Piranha, a small but fierce fish with sharp teeth. Tapir. Tapir, a shy, pig-like animal with a short trunk. Howler monkey. Howler monkey, a loud monkey known for its deep howling calls. Amazon river dolphin. Amazon river dolphin, a pink-colored freshwater dolphin found in the Amazon River. Ocelot. Ocelot, a small, spotted wildcat that hunts at night. Harpy eagle. Harpy eagle, one of the world's strongest eagles with massive claws. Green iguana. Green iguana, a tree-dwelling lizard that enjoys basking in the sun. Giant otter. Giant otter, a playful animal that lives in families along Amazon rivers. Electric eel. Electric eel, a fish capable of producing electric shocks. Caiman. Caiman, a reptile similar to an alligator, found in rivers and swamps. Spider monkey. Spider monkey, an agile monkey with long limbs and tail for swinging through trees. Leafcutter and known for cutting leaves and carrying them to their nests. Armadillo. Armadillo, a small mammal with a hard, protective shell. Tamarin monkey. Tamarin monkey, a tiny monkey with a fluffy tail and colorful face. Anteater. Anteater uses its long tongue to eat ants and termites. Spectacled caiman. Spectacled caiman, a common Amazon reptile with a ridge around its eyes. Glass frog. Glass frog, a frog with transparent skin that reveals its organs. Amazon tree boa. Amazon tree boa, a snake that lives in trees and hunts small animals. Blue morpho butterfly. Blue morpho butterfly, a large, bright blue butterfly found in the rainforest. Vampire bat. Vampire bat, a small bat that feeds on the blood of animals. Coati. Coati, a raccoon-like animal with a long, ringed tail. Tamandua. Tamandua, a smaller anteater that climbs trees to find food. Red-eyed tree frog. Red-eyed tree frog, a bright green frog with striking red eyes. Bush dog. Bush dog, a rare, small wild dog that lives in packs. Pygmy marmoset. Pygmy marmoset, the smallest monkey in the world. Amazonian manatee. Amazonian manatee, a gentle aquatic mammal that grazes on water plants. Agouti. Agouti, a small rodent that helps spread seeds in the forest. Scarlet ibis. Scarlet ibis, a red bird often found in wetlands. Kinkajou. Kinkajou, a cute, nocturnal animal with a long, curling tail. Boa constrictor. Boa constrictor, a large snake that squeezes its prey before eating. Curassow. Curassow, a large bird that lives on the forest floor. Toko toucan. Toko toucan, known for its enormous orange beak. Glasswing butterfly. Glasswing butterfly, a butterfly with transparent wings. Giant centipede. Giant centipede, a large insect that preys on small animals. Peccary. Peccary, a wild pig that lives in herds in the rainforest. Red Wakari monkey. Red Wakari monkey. A monkey with a bright red face and short tail. Squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkey. A small, active monkey with a long tail. Emerald tree boa. Emerald tree boa. A green snake that coils on branches. Hoatzin. Hoatzin. A tropical bird with a spiky crest and blue face. Amazonian giant centipede. Amazonian giant centipede. One of the largest centipedes in the world. Bushmaster snake. Bushmaster snake. One of the largest venomous snakes in South America. Great Patu. Great Patu. A nocturnal bird that camouflages perfectly during the day. Black caiman. Black caiman. The largest predator in the Amazon wetlands.